Hi, let's talk about the Eviction Protection Program. We're going to discuss what it is, how it can benefit you, and the limitations of the program. The Eviction Protection Program is part of a series of value-added services that you have to add income to your bottom line by providing either a perceived reduce in risk that your owners may feel, or other components of the program are aimed at preserving the value of the physical asset. On the Eviction Protection Program, what you'll be able to do is in your sales pitch to any prospect, you can now tell them that if you place a renter, you can pretty much guarantee them, as long as they participate in the program, that the tenant that you place into their property through the Eviction Protection Program will fulfill their financial obligations, and if they don't and are needed to be evicted through the court system, that you'll cover the cost of the eviction and remarket the property for them for free. Something that is likely not to be offered by any competitor. The other thing that it'll do for you is add $200 to your net proceeds per unit that you manage that you can get signed up under this program. You should expect probably about a 33% participation rate, possibly up to a 50% participation rate, depending on how hard you push this program. Imagine if you've got 100 people signed up on this program, that's going to add $20,000 to your bottom line with very, very little work. All right, let's talk a little bit about what is covered under the program and who is covered. One of the exceptions to this program is that if an owner brings a property on that already has renters in it, they are not eligible to participate in the Eviction Protection Program for obvious reasons. You've not screened them, you don't know what the risk is. So this is only available to the renters that you've placed. What you'll be doing is, if someone has participated in the Eviction Protection Program, you are going to cover filing fees if an eviction is required, any service fees if those are included with your attorney costs, attorney fees and court costs. You'll go to court and offer your delivery testimony at no cost. You'll be paying for the writ or the legal instrument that verifies the judgment that you'll be obtaining, and if necessary, the cost of the red tag if the person doesn't move out after the judgment and they have to be forced out by your local sheriff or bailiff. The things that are not covered under this program are rent loss, the cost to set a renter's personal property out of a home if that's required, the cost to turn the property back over and make it market ready, nor if this becomes a complicated eviction where the renter declares bankruptcy or it's contested and there is a jury appointed. This program excludes those couple of situations. One thing that happens is the collections become the property of the brokerage on this situation, so that if you do spend the money and have to incur the cost, it's at least a little bit likely that you'll recover your expense for doing so. Another thing that is included is you're promising to remarket the property at no additional cost to the renter or to your owner. One thing you'll notice is if you'll go to your EchoSign signature management program, you'll see the enrollment agreement tailored specifically for your business, and simply to get your person signed up, you'll send out the enrollment agreement to them through EchoSign. They'll just need to read through the details of the agreement, and initial to accept. They'll be able to electronically sign their name and electronically date. Once they do that, this document will be sent back to you for you to enter into the Appfolio system as a reoccurring expense to that owner. It's just that simple to make $20,000 or more that you normally wouldn't have been able to capture using part of the value-added series, the Eviction Protection Program.